little over a year ago, I had new wheels installed on my Silverado. I want to let you know how they've been doing, and we're going to look at customizing them just a little bit. These are the Rocktrix RT107 with a -12 offset, and paired with the right tires, this is the perfect stance in my opinion. They stick out right past the fender well, and I haven't really had any issues with rocks or debris getting thrown down the side. These are a very affordable option, coming in right around $800 for the set. Now you'll also need a hub-centric ring that they sell on their website if installing these on a Silverado. I think it's right around $40 for all 4 rings. As far as the ride quality, I had the exact same tires on my factory wheels that I had on these, and when I made the change, I noticed no difference. Now I did just swap to some new tires. I plan on giving a review on those soon, but so far so good. The only issues I've had so far with the wheels is the center caps. I noticed the ones that came with the wheels had started to wear a little bit, so I got on their website and saw they had some replacement options. These are the flat caps they offer, and these are brand new, and then they offer a rugged cap, which is one of their best sellers. Now I think I'm gonna like the flat caps the best, but let's get them put on and see how they look. First, let's take a good look at the caps they came with. Even though they've worn over time, you can't really tell until you get really close to them. So let me throw on the other caps and we'll see which one looks best. The flat caps are on this side, and not really liking them as much as I thought I would. I think they may look better if maybe they had black lugs instead. I do still have some black spike lug nuts, so I'll put those on just to see. Well, here it is with the black lug nuts. I'm still not crazy about it because all the chrome accents. If the whole wheel was black, I think that cap would look much better. So let's check out the rugged cap on the other side. Okay, I think I like these much better than the flat caps. That chrome in the middle just works so much better with these wheels. I also think it's an improvement over the cap that it comes with. And of course, for those who want to see the rugged cap with the black spike lug nuts, that's definitely another option. Love to know which combo you guys like, but for now I think I'm going to stick with the rugged caps. Overall, I've been extremely happy with these wheels. I love the offset, and it's really hard to beat the price on these guys. Like I said, I plan to do a review video on the new tires, but right now I'm loving them. Now, if you've got any other questions about the wheels, please feel free to comment below. I appreciate y'all watching this one. Until next time, see y'all.